Jack here, and it's been a while since I've done an update about the GadgetBox. And last time I did an update, I believe I had this version of the GadgetBox ready to go, and it's based on the Atmega 32U4. But I ran into a couple of problems when I went to manufacture it. One, the costs were way higher than I expected them to be with this chip, and two, I realized that I painted myself into a corner. So what I'm talking about here is, so if I want, it's always been my intention to make multiple gadget boxes for multiple products. So the first one is the Arduino, and then I plan to do a Teensy and then a Raspberry Pi. And so you can see there's no problem with the Teensy. There's plenty of room. However, you go to the Raspberry Pi Zero, and there's no way with the headers placed where they are that it's going to work. So pretty much painted myself into a corner. So I moved on. I did another revision of the GadgetBox, and I moved. So to address the two problems, I went with the cheaper solution. So I went with the Mini Pro module, because you can get these for $2 to $3 off of eBay. So that took care of the cost problem, and then I moved the headers out to the edges, and you can see that this allows that there's plenty of room now to make a board around a Raspberry Pi Zero, or even the Raspberry Pi Computing Shield, because I've got an idea that I want to work on for a cool stereo camera project. And then you could even do the PCduino. This is a PCduino computing module that could work. And I've even got the new version of the Papilio FPGA board. So they'll all fit now in this new form factor. So this was a huge reason to redo it. Now, having done all that and said all that, I found a big problem with the with the Arduino Mini Pro module, in that there just isn't enough pins to do. So I had assumed that A6 and A7 were actually digital I/O pins, and unfortunately they're not. So it kind of throws this whole scheme off. So I've redesigned it yet again. I'm waiting for that board to come in the mail, and I believe that board's going to be the final go. And basically what I did is I used the Atmega 328 PB, so the new chip that has the new capabilities, and it has more digital I/O, and it has just the perfect amount of pins to allow this GadgetBox scheme to work, and it's pretty cheap. It's like $1.37 in large quantities for that chip. So it should take care of the cost issue, and with the new format, we should be wide open in the future to make more GadgetBox options. So I'm pretty excited. I'm waiting for the new board to arrive, and I'll give you some more updates when that's here. Thanks for watching.